Okay, so what I'm doing here is just checking my gas pedal. Not having any issues with it sticking or anything like that, but got a brake shoe on there pushed all the way through, all the way down. Make sure it is pushing that brake gas pedal all the way down. Okay, gas pedal all the way down. Leave this kind of open, I don't want to disturb it. Now we come over here and you look in the intake. Aha! It's open all the way. Okay. Okay, with the gas pedal pushed all the way through, that was open all the way, which is good. The thing that I don't like is the gas pedal is it's down too low, and even if I push it all the way through, yeah, the throttle plate will come all the way open. That's fine, but the position of the throttle or the gas pedal I don't like, so I want to kind of adjust that. Because the cables, you know, they stretch over time, and I've already adjusted it with a little piece of metal, so it brought it up a little bit, but I want it up a little bit more to get maybe some better throttle response. So this is what you're trying to adjust. You want to put a couple of tie wraps on there. Don't do too many because it'll affect your idle speed. That wouldn't be cool. Another thing is about 2 of them should be good. For my case, I have a piece of metal crimped on the end, and gas pedal's at the right height. There's a little bit of play in here, so that's fine. But I can push it all the way down. Got a little bit of play. I might add one more just so this is all the way up and nice and sturdy. And then make sure they're nice and tight on there, and then clip the extra material off, and then you should be good to go. And sometimes stuff like this will give you better throttle response if you do this. It might feel like it might not give you a whole lot, but it'll be less pushing on the gas pedal. And it really sucks when your foot starts rubbing on the end there. Okay. Let's see if it all. Yeah, I like that position. Basically what I'm doing is just kind of backing this thing up because I'm going to hook my trailer up in the morning because I'm getting ready to drop off a small load of scrap. By the way, I'm not trying to be a real scrapper, that's just something I do to keep me busy. For those of you haters out there. Yeah, try not to hit the flex. Yeah, I like the response already. Just take it around the block, see how it feels. Yeah, nice. I can accelerate pretty fast. Much better. Now I can beat a BMW now. It's getting hot in here. I want to take up all my clothes. No, you don't. You're bad. Very bad. You're very bad. Very bad person. You're very dirty. Very dirty. You son bitch. Cool. This should be nice. Driving on the highway. My camera's not even. They're on the way. Just kind of sliding off. Yeah, I like this gas pedal position. Much better. It's got more power. Just because the throttle opens up more. Now, put it in park. Color a day. What? Thanks.